Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my November update for the Supernatural project pan that I'm doing with my girl Amanda. This is called Pan Interrupted, a play off of the Sam Interrupted episode of Supernatural. And this is all about Supernatural and all of the episodes. It is a rolling project pan. We are doing 6 products at a time, based on every single episode that has ever aired of Supernatural. And yeah, it's going to take forever. We started this in August, and we're just going to go until all of the episodes are done, and it's going to take us years. But we're having fun with it, so it's all good. Alright, I do have some empties since the last update. Finally, I'm happy about that. And let me start with the first one. This was from the pilot episode where they introduced the woman in white. I chose this because of the white packaging. This is the Philosophy Hope in a Jar. I did not like it. It does not like my skin. My skin does not like it. I am glad that it is gone. I have so many creams that I only use on my neck, and you know, I'm glad that's out of my collection. The next one I have is for Dead in the Water. And there goes my computer. Dead in the Water, I chose this Ulta Beauty Matte Setting Spray because it's a water substance. And yeah, it is finally done. I was at this gold line at the last update, and I just finished it a few days ago. I'm happy about that. And let's see, for the episode Bugs, that was a creepy episode. And it was all about a housing tract being built on an old Indian burial ground. There was a curse that involved some bugs, lots of bugs. Ugh, it was gross. So I chose this Skin So Soft Bug Guard Plus. It's like a aloe gel moisturizer. It has the SPF, the bug guard, and all that other stuff. It is done. I use it like a basic moisturizer, so happy that is out of here. And the last one was for the episode Scarecrow, where they make sacrifices to a tree. So I chose the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay because it's got a tree right there on the packaging. I didn't love this one. I wanted to like it. I know a lot of people like Origins, and I really liked their charcoal mask. I just didn't like this one as much. I don't like masks. I'm discovering through panning. Pardon me, I'm discovering through panning that I don't like masks that are gritty, that have the exfoliator in them, because it's a pain in the butt to wash off if you're not in the shower. So yeah, I didn't really like this one as much as the charcoal one. Alright, so I have 4 products that are done, which means I have 2 that I'm rolling over from last month. The first one was for home. I have this Buxom Jenny lip gloss, or Jennifer. I think this is Jennifer. I've only used this a few times, so there's no line to mark on that. I do have it on my lips today with a plum liner, so this is not true to color here, but I do really like that. But I am working on another Buxom in another project, and that one is getting priority just because that one actually has a deadline for it, where this project doesn't, because it's rolling for forever, pretty much. Okay, and the last product that I have is for Asylum, where the doctor performs torture therapy, and I chose this Scalp Therapy Shampoo from Amplixin, and I like it. It's very thin. It's not quite watery, but it's very thin as far as the shampoo. Smells amazing though. It was brand new when I started, and now I'm here at this red line. So hopefully with that progress, a couple updates, and that should be done, I hope. I'm hoping so. Alright, so 2 rollover products, 4 done. That means I need to roll in 4 more products for the next 4 episodes in line. The first episode is Faith, where Dean is dying and they go to a preacher who turns out to be evil. Everybody's evil. They're either like really good or really evil in this show, which I kind of like because I'm weird and dark like that. But so for Faith, I went with Belief, and I chose this Belief Eye Balm. It's the moisturizing eye balm right there by Belief. I've used it a few times, but it is pretty daggone full, and my goal is to use that one up. So for the Next episode, Route 666. It just creeps me out to say it. There is a driverless truck that is killing people, and, you know, driverless, invisible driver, that kind of thing. So I went with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is the invisible cover, so I went with the invisible on that one. It is crazy dark. This one is getting Franken foundationed. I am totally Frankening this. Yeah, that is crazy dark. They actually sent this to me through Influencer, and I can Franken it. I'm okay with that. I don't have a problem using some other products in my collection. And the next one is for Nightmare, and that's, that episode has the same fiery demon that killed the brother's mom. Sam and Dean's mom was killed by the fiery demon, so I chose a fire-colored product. And that is in a palette. I'm going to show that to you in a second. And the following episode is the Benders, and Sam disappears in that episode, so I have chosen another product that disappears on my skin, and they are both in the Coastal Scents 88 palette. So for the Nightmare episode, for the Fire Demon, I need to pick a reddish shadow, so I am going to go with this one right here. That is G9. So this one right here. And for the one that disappears on my skin, I am going to go with D1. There's not a lot in there. My goal is to finish this one, and the red one I just want to hit pan. So those are my 4 products. It will be nice to finally have pan in this. I should have, by the time I'm done with these 2 shadows, one will have pan and one should be completely finished. That will be nice to have some good progress on this palette. All right, that is everything for this update. I hope that I will have some empties for next update, because I would like to, you know, move some of these episodes along, because I know Amanda is way ahead of me. I had put in some hard products, and they're taking me a lot longer than some of her products are taking her. But that's okay. This is a forever project. It's going on probably until I'm 108. So it is what it is. Anyway, I need you to go check out Amanda's channel, because she's got way more episodes going than I have. So go check her out and show her some love. She is my sister from another mister, a wayward sister, if you will. So go check her out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.